This one comes in for Greg and myself, and actually the two of you, Brad and Chuck, can actually jump in. Sandy writes in, should she fix up her house before putting it on the market? And I will tell you, there's probably a diverse opinion on that. Greg, you want to go quick but fast?
Yeah,
Go ahead.
but it's not, I'll go quick, but it's not quick because, like you said, there's many different things depending on what you're upgrading. Safety or structural. Then you look at what's the inventory like, what's your price point like, what's your return gonna be. So all of those things are gonna factor into each individual upgrade, in my opinion. But you can get deep and get a long conversation on that.
And I'll add on to that. I agree with what Greg says, but I will tell you folks, if you put money into the house, you're not going to get the money out. The most you'll get out is 100%. That's at most. And that's really for a rare item. Brad, you might be able to chime in here for let's say a new garage door. That will get you back close to 100%. But if you put money into upgrade your kitchen, let's say you put 10,000 in, you'll be lucky to get 8,000 out of it when you go to sell.
Yeah, the only thing I would add to that though is don't not do maintenance. I think that a lot of times people are not doing maintenance because they're just assuming they're selling their house. The inspector's going to find all this stuff anyway. I think it's cheaper to handle the maintenance before you put the house on the market. Realtors always say, but Brad, we don't want to have to disclose it. Why? Just tell them, hey, these were the repairs that were made. If you want to show them receipts, that's fine. That's more an agent call. But please do the maintenance on your home before you put it on the market.
No, and to follow up with Brad, maintenance and upgrades are obviously two different things. The maintenance we love to see as an agent. When I'm bringing a buyer into a house and I see a list of things that they've done to maintain, receipts for air filter changes, whatever the case may be, any fixes that needed to be done, because there's not one perfect home in the world. So if you don't have those receipts showing that you're doing maintenance, that's a lack of faith. And we see that when you walk in the home, you can see what we call the deferred maintenance, and that can drive people away.